Are you living a vibrant life full of joy and happiness? Do you chase your dreams? What's the driving force for your actions, your own choice or circumstances? Are you doing justice to your potential? What's the purpose of your life and existence? Has the journey of your life an extraordinary one? If you feel the journey is not successful, what's the reason? Isn't it you kept drifting away unknowingly because of situations? Generally, we don't get what we deserve because we lack in preparation. We don't give enough time to plan. Two things are important for a successful journey. First, you need to get clarity where you are, and second, where you want to go. You need to spend quality time using right tools and techniques. Once you realize these things, planning and preparing action plan becomes simple. But remember, no matter how good a plan is, if you fail to take actions, the journey will be a failure. By the way, what is the ultimate aim of the journey? Simple answer would be achieving peace of mind, happiness and success throughout the life. But how do we define success? Success is doing the things we love. A good health, a wonderful family, a fine home, a vacation, a financial security. Success means freedom from worries and stress. Success means self-respect, admiration from others. Success is pursuit and achievement of wonderful things. Success means fulfillment of ambitions and realization of dreams. But how to assess whether we are successful? Where do we stand? How we have fared in various aspects? Are we on the track? Or we have accepted the fate and surrendered to the circumstances? Wheel of Life is a simple and easy yet powerful technique that gives you a vivid visual presentation of various aspects of your life as it exists in the present moment. You can compare your present status with your desired one. It will help you understand the areas which need focus. This course is a sincere attempt to help you know yourself, set your priorities, shape your thinking, help you take decisions and actions. This course is for every individual who wants to take the responsibility and control of his life. This course is for that individual who hates mediocrity and has willpower to chase dreams. It is for that individual who has courage to act rather than wishful thinking to live a truly meaningful life.